Tired of juggling between Messenger and Outlook? Let's ditch the chaos and connect them for seamless productivity. First, head over to Zapier.com and log in, or create a new account. If you don't already have one, Zapier is the magic tool that will link Messenger and Outlook. Once you're in, click on the big, inviting Create Zap button. This will kickstart the process of building your automated workflow. Now, choose Facebook Messenger as your trigger app. This is what starts the automation. Search for it in the app list or find it in the popular app section. Next, select the trigger event. We're going to choose new message because we want the Zap to run whenever a new message arrives in Messenger. Click Continue. Zapier will now ask you to connect your Facebook Messenger account. Click on the Connect button and follow the prompts to authorize Zapier to access your Messenger. Great! Messenger is connected. Now it's time to link Outlook as the action app. This is what will happen after the new message arrives. Search for Microsoft Outlook and select it. Choose the action event. For this example, we'll select Send Email, meaning a new email will be sent via Outlook every time a new message is received. Click Continue. Just like with Messenger, you'll need to connect your Microsoft Outlook account. Click Connect and authorize Zapier to access your Outlook. Now comes the fun part, customizing your email. Fill in the to field with the email address you want to send to in the subject and body. Use the drop-down menus to insert data from the Messenger message, like the sender's name and the message content. Before you turn on your Zap, click Test Action to send a test email. This ensures everything is working correctly. Check your Outlook inbox to confirm the test email arrived. Finally, if the test was successful, toggle your Zap on. Congratulations! You've successfully connected Messenger and Outlook with Zapier. Now you can say goodbye to communication chaos and hello to streamline productivity.